2019 Subaru Tribeca is the revamped adoption of the current model that is expected to come with the same specifications and features. One thing is for sure, it will have 3-row seating, this time to 5 seats, only 7 or 8. However, there may be some modern tweaks here and there to make it appear more modern and to compete resourcefully with its class competitors. The new model Tribeca will be constructed at the Lafayette plant of Subaru, located in Indiana. The interior of the 2019 Subaru Tribeca will come with a flawless design, as the automaker has resolved all the issues found in the outgoing model. As a result, it comes with an improved cabin with notable features similar to those of the Impreza. This time, the third-row seats are designed to offer a comfortable sitting place for adults, rather than a penalty corner for children in the earlier model. The lengthy body and the extended wheelbase offer the cabin of the new vehicle a more interior space. Although the factory has not yet confirmed the engine numbers of the new Subaru Tribeca 2019. From reliable sources, seems like that should come equipped with a 6-cylinder power unit with the capacity of 3.6 liters boxer engine. This will be finely adjusted to offer the vehicle the essential power of 256 horsepower. It is expected that the new Tribeca will be offered with a CVT continuously variable transmission system with the all-wheel drive system standard. According to rumors, there should be another turbocharged boxer power unit with the capacity of 2.0 liters. If the rumor becomes real, the new vehicle will get more power and it will offer better fuel economy, as well. The release date of 2019 Subaru Tribeca is still a mystery, but it is expected that it may be available for sale during the last quarter of 2017 or first quarter of 2018. It is expected that Subaru will announce its price at the time of the release of the vehicle.